Hello everyone, I hope you are all doing well. I am Mr. Muqtadir Rahman. Now I discuss with you how to set up the plan MRI of left knee joint. Look here, the protocol, and now we will do the plan, transverse plan. This one is the sagittal image, this one is the transverse, and another is coronal. So transverse plan will be on the sagittal and coronal images and showing here the parameters. Now apply. Now the next, just copy, then apply. Okay, now the next sagittal planning. So sagittal planning will be on the transverse and coronal images. Look, this one is the sagittal image and another is coronal image. Now I nicely set up the planning very carefully. Look here. Now I again check the transverse image. Okay, now I apply. Now the next, just copy parameters, license sensation. Now I apply. Now the next, just copy. Okay, our sagittal plan will almost done. Now the next coronal plan. So coronal plan will be on the transverse and sagittal image. Look here. Now I set up the planning following anatomy and physiology. Look here. Okay, this one is the coronal image. Now the check sagittal image. Again transverse, look this area. Now finally apply. Now the next, just copy. Thank you everyone for watching my video.